In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compose and send an email using Hostinger Webmail. Whether you're a beginner or just need a refresher, this guide will walk you through each step clearly and easily. First, let's start by navigating to the Hostinger Webmail login page. For that, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and type in mail.hostinger.com. This is the gateway to accessing your Hostinger email account if you're using their webmail service. Once you're on the login page, and you'll need your email address and password. Make sure you enter this information correctly. Email addresses are case insensitive, but passwords are not, so be mindful of any upper or lowercase characters you've used. Once you're signed in, you'll be looking at your inbox view. To compose a new email, locate and click on the Compose or New Email button. This is usually prominently displayed at the top of the page. Clicking here will open a new window or section where you can begin drafting your message. In front of you, you'll see various fields where you'll fill in details like the recipient's email address, subject line, and body of the email. Now let's concentrate on finding the CC field, which stands for carbon copy. This option is beneficial when you want to send a copy of your email to other interested parties. The CC field is typically located next to the To field, where you put the primary recipient's email address. You might also see a BCC field, which stands for blind carbon copy, but for now, we're focusing on the CC. Type in the email addresses you want to CC, making sure they're separated by commas. This allows multiple recipients to be added without any hiccups. It's crucial to double-check these inputs to ensure the emails are sent to the correct addresses. Once you've set up your CC list, it's time to write your message. Add a clear, concise subject line that summarizes the content of your email. This helps the recipients understand the purpose of your message at a glance. In the body, articulate your points clearly, keeping your audience in mind, whether it's a formal business email or a casual note. Feel free to format your text, attach files, or insert hyperlinks to enhance your message, but be sure everything is essential to the purpose of your email. When you're satisfied with your content, the last step is to click the Send button. It's often located prominently at the bottom or top of your Compose window. Doing so will deliver your email to both the primary recipient and the CC list you've specified, thus completing the task. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to sending an email with Hostinger Webmail, ensuring effective communication with your recipients. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.